One of the most fun things I did was I did a Santa Claus voice for a GPS. Ho, ho! You're turning left, turn right. Ho, ho, ho! You made a wrong turn. Ho, ho, ho! I got into radio back in 1976. Went to Humber College Radio Broadcasting. I'd been in private radio, commercial radio. I naturally gravitated to the studio where I just loved putting together productions and going on mic and adding sound effects and music and doing different voices. And I saw professional actors around me who demonstrated what you can do with audio, and it's just always fascinated me, and I just have always loved being in the studio and working with my voice. I like seeing the finished product after you've done a character or a narrative. I like to see the finished visuals put with music and the production and see how it looks whether it's posted on YouTube. My preference is to do cartoon character stuff, which is a lot of fun to see. It's just fun to walk all the way through the process and take it from a script to a final presentation. It's exciting. Practice, practice, practice. You got to keep doing it, and you've got to just do a lot of auditions. Don't be afraid to try something a little bit different with your audition. I know when I first started, I went for 6-8 months auditioning almost every day before I got my first gig. And then once things started to open up for me, and I've worked with repeat customers, people who appreciate what I do. But that's the key, is just do it, keep doing it, get yourself a microphone, hook it up to your computer, and just do it every day. You don't really need a lot. You just need a half-decent microphone, a half-decent sound recording program. If worse comes to worse, you can put a towel over your head when you're recording in your hotel room, which I've done before too for sound baffling. Well, I guess I'd like to do, I've done a number of movie trailers and cartoon voices, but I'd like to score something that was a little bit bigger than, worldwide, or a Hollywood movie trailer, or a character in a cartoon series. I've also done quite a bit of on-camera acting. And then I do a couple of, the game show guys. I've done... And now, the Legends of Learning! Now it's time for you to figure out how you can learn with Legends of Learning. That kind of guy. And then I'd like to do a little nerdy guys too, like,
hi there, I'm Professor Doug, and I'm here in my laboratory.
Oh, I've had a great time. You've got a great team of I guess young people working at voices.com. There's probably some older ones too, but I've always had a great experience with all your representatives, and very thankful for the work that they do on my behalf. It's a positive experience all the way around, and I'm here, and I'm going to stay with voices.com for as long as I can see.